Hai, boleh saya pesan cappuccino? Hi, can I get a cappuccino, please? Hi, can I get a cappuccino, please?
Tentu, ukuran apa yang Anda inginkan? Sure, what size would you like? Sure, what size would you like?
Sedang ya. Medium, please. Medium, please.
Ingin pesan makanan juga? Would you like anything to eat with that? Would you like anything to eat with that?
Ya, muffin coklat sepertinya enak. Yes, a chocolate muffin sounds good. Yes, a chocolate muffin sounds good.
Baik, ada lagi? Great. Anything else? Great. Anything else?
Tidak, itu saja untuk sekarang. No, that's all for now. No, that's all for now.
Totalnya $6.50. Your total is $6.50. Your total is $6.50.
Ini uangnya. Here you go. Here you go.
Terima kasih. Pesanan Anda akan segera siap. Thank you. Your order will be ready shortly. Thank you. Your order will be ready shortly.